FSD Beta is rapidly improving, as the programmers, and AI, continue development. The issues you see highlighted here, are in no way indicative of the system's overall capabilities.
They've recently just changed that to an all-way stop, so all three directions have to stop, no matter if you're turning left or going right. Whoa! That just shot into the yellow.
Hours that they put in, right? They didn't get antibiotics. They didn't get air conditioning, right? They didn't get cars, or any of the things that we enjoy today. So sure, if you don't have a lot of technology and your hours.
Here we're going to veer and go really into the wrong lane. So there was nobody coming, so I just let it correct itself, but that needed to be a much better turn.
All right, let's do FSD Beta 10.3.1 in the rain. I previewed it earlier this morning, and it's a lot less confident in the rain and a lot slower at takeoffs. Let's see how it does with this guy over here without lights. Whoa, it's trying to go the wrong way down the road. Let's not do that. See, there's no real room to hang out in the middle here like it might have wanted to do. Let's get over.
It's not okay, so there's a bunch of cars driving. Now it's driving more right justified. I don't know if that's what you'd call it. I don't know, it makes me think of, what was that for though? Not a fan of that. Like, why does it drive over here?
Not sure what it was doing there on that left turn. It seemed to want to just abort that turn out of nowhere and go straight for the curb, so.
Wow, it was really close to that guardrail. And it showed red for a second there. I got too close to that curb, so I took over.
Now turn right onto Grand Boulevard.
Looks like it is. Oh, definitely faster than I would like.
Left turn here. Okay, it's slowing down. There is a car. It's adjusting. I'm taking over here. It is trying to adjust and find the gap. Unfortunately, we were a little bit too close to the curb on the right-hand side, so I didn't want to take any chances, and I took over.
And we'll see how it does on this turn. Okay, that was actually nice. It's not going around that curb like it should.
Yeah, there's a construction over here on the right, but nothing that affects the Tesla. Hey, whoa, 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 what are you doing here? Woo! You see that? Car just about took itself right out there, went over that speed bump. That's something I haven't really seen before.
Nice, nice, nice. There's two cars coming, and wow, we stopped way too hard there. It was an extremely hard stop. This guy's making a left. The car's still not moving. There's no one coming, and it would have hit the median. So I did take over there, and I'll send that on. I got an arrow, and the car is making a turn, left turn. Ooh, it was going to hit the curb.
Now your destination is on.
It's rerouting itself last minute, and then it can't turn anywhere, so it's just going to keep going straight until this figures itself out.
Right onto Main Street.
Oh my
Stay in this lane. Nope. It's not gonna do it. Wrong lane. Come on. What the heck is it doing? What is it doing? It keeps trying to change lanes. What the heck is it doing? I don't know what it's doing. It is totally messed up.
So here we go, driving towards the left. Now it veered to the right. I think you saw that.
In 500 feet, turn left onto South Line Street.
I'm going to get in this left lane. It pulled me to the center lane. Now it brought me to the left. I think that's too much moving around.
Left onto Broadway Street. Now turn left onto Royal Road.
Uh-oh, let's see, I've got a blinker on here, and here's where I need it to be patient. Oh, it's starting to map that path. Now, I wonder if it's doing that because it can't see that there's a car in front. Oh, here it goes. Don't do it. I'm not going to let it do it. I'm just going to... Okay.
Should not go around that bus. I think once this light changes, I'll turn it back on.
Confident that we're actually going to work less. I think we're going to work. We might very well work as much as we do now, but we will do so because we choose to do so. You know, because it's not like work is, you know, a punishment imposed on us. For a lot of us, work is something we choose to do. We decide we like to do something. We want to do it. We like the rewards we get from it. And, you know, for example...
Okay, I'm going to nudge it a little bit because it's... Come on, move. Okay, it sees this truck. It's not moving. I'm waiting a few seconds. There's a truck behind me. So I'm just going to nudge it. See what it does? Nudge it. Come on. Okay. I just nudged it a little bit and it moved around the truck.